In this video, you'll learn how to find your wallet address in Trust Wallet. By following these steps, you will be able to locate and copy your wallet address for transactions. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Trust Wallet website. Ensure the browser is updated for the best experience. Once the page loads, look for the option to access the Trust Wallet extension, which is typically found in the browser's extension menu. Next, click on the Trust Wallet extension icon in the toolbar. This action will open the extension, allowing you to access your wallet details. If prompted, enter your password to unlock your wallets. Once unlocked, you will be directed to your wallet's main interface. After that, locate the Fund option on the main screen. This section allows you to add funds to your wallet. Click on Fund to proceed to the next step in locating your wallet address. Now, click on the Receive option, which is usually labeled as Receive from another wallet. This will direct you to a screen where you can view your wallet address and QR code. This is the crucial step for obtaining your wallet address. Following this, you will see an option labeled Choose a Crypto. Click on this to select the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. For example, you might choose Bitcoin, which is commonly used for transactions. Once you have selected your cryptocurrency, look for the Copy button. Clicking this will copy your wallet address to your clipboard. This step is essential for ensuring that you can easily paste your wallet address wherever it is needed. Finally, if you want to share your wallet address via QR code, click on the Scan QR option. This will display your QR code, which can be scanned by others for easy transactions. Ensure that you have your wallet address ready for any incoming transfers. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.